What is good, you guys? It is your boy YouTube back. I said that last video. I did say I'm back, but where have I been? Oh my god, I'm not even going to get into that. I'm literally just going to say I've made so much videos. I've got so much clips of like football. I've just like unboxed so much stuff. I've got so much stuff through the mail, and I've not bothered to make videos about them until today. This is by the title, as you can see, the Puma. I think it's Puma done a collab with Bape back in 2015. So yeah, I'm doing the unboxing of the Puma X Bape. I think it's the, I'm not too sure on the name of the shoe. I'll see the now. Yeah, disc. I obviously knew it's a disc, but Disc Blaze X Bape. I don't know. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight into this video. So yeah, as you can see by this lighting, it's crispy! Let's start off with the unboxing of the Bape shoes. Let's just get a quick thumbnail. That could be one of the thumbnails, I'm not too sure. Yeah, without further ado, let's just unbox these. It just slides straight out like that. There we go. It comes in some Puma wrapping. I've already wore these, bear in mind guys, I've just got them on Friday and I'm uploading this on Monday. I've worn them twice, one to the cinema and one today. So yeah, let's just unwrap these. Oh, I love them. So if you haven't really saw them, that's what they look like. So they're actually Puma. You can see like the wee suede bit underneath, like there. There we go. Some of you might not like them. That's reflective, by the way, that. They've got like that paint splatter effect on the sole of it. I really like the bottom. It's got a red, like, I can't really describe that. I just like the bottom of it. Then we've got some mesh with the abaving, like the monkeys on them. There, you can see that there. There we go, there's a monkey. That's a Puma disc. That's pretty cool how that tightens. So to tighten the actual shoe, you go like that, and it tightens it. I think that's dope. That is amazing. In the back, the Puma logo. That looks cool, but I like the other shoe better just for one reason. On the back, it's got the monkey. Yeah, it's got the monkey on the back. Also, it's got like this plastic effect. I can't really describe that bit on it. That's just there for design, I think. Trinomic, I don't know if I butchered that. Trinomic, I'm not too sure. That's the ones who made the shoe. Yeah, except that, I love these shoes. I'm going to show you the other one so you know what I mean with the monkey on the back. The Bape. Please focus. There we go. It's the same on that one. It's literally got the same paint effect on it. I'm going to zoom in so you can get some close-ups on this. There we go. It's got the Puma Bape thing inside. But apart from that, they're really beautiful shoes. I love them a lot, like they're so nice. What other thing can I say? Yeah, well, on the front it's got a suede effect. I really like that. I like a little bit of suede. I think it looks cool. But apart from that, that's really the shoe. I'm going to show it on feet now. This is like this is the outfit I was wearing today. So I was wearing this camel jacket with a 6L top with some black jeans and champion ankle socks. Yeah. So I'm going to show you these on feet. Leave your opinions down below in the comment section on what you think of them. Also, they're reflective. Like I might add a picture on screen right now. Boom. There you go. So that might have been a picture on screen. I don't know. I'll need to try and get that on my computer. But apart from that, I love these shoes. Let's put them on feet. So yeah, that's the shoe there. I really do hope you enjoyed that. this was a good first video back because this is kind of showing you towards the direction where I'm going with my channel. I'm going to try and get it more fashion related. I know there's a lot of fashion channels out there, but that's the kind of stuff I like. I like fashion. I don't want to be doing videos where I don't really enjoy doing. So yeah, if you want to leave a comments down below on what kind of fashion items you would like to see me buy, and I'll try and make it happen. I'll have a couple more unboxings coming soon. I'll try and piece some outfits together. Also, I've saw comments where you want to see my entire 6 out collection. It will take a bit of time because I've got like quite a lot. So yeah, if you want to see that happen, leave a comments down below, it'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for waiting patiently for me to upload. I'm sorry for the die-hard fans who like to see my videos. Yeah, so leave a comments down below on how your day's going and if you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, of course it would be greatly appreciated. Keep smiling, stay inspired. I shall catch you guys, your lovely faces, in my next video, and I will be uploading soon. I won't wait another 2 months. Adios, lucha birds.